How to put countdown timer on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on your device. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now select story. Now tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left corner. Now select the photo. Now at the top menu, simply tap on the sticker icon. Now scroll down and tap on countdown. Now enter the countdown name. Now select date and time. Now tap on done. Now click on your story. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.